Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel, and in this video you will learn how to improve your posture while walking. So let's get the video started. We'll begin with a brief explanation of why good posture is important in the first place. Proper posture can help you prevent back injuries, reduce stress on your joints, and will help you to improve your overall appearance and confidence, which is what we are looking for. So as you guys know that it is in our channel history that we show wrong things first before the right ones. So let's start with the forward head posture.
This occurs when the head is positioned forward rather than directly over the shoulders, which can cause strain on the neck and shoulders.
This posture is mostly caused because of the overuse of cell phones. So this is how your walk will look like if you are using this posture. The second wrong posture is the shoulder tilt posture.
This is a posture in which the shoulders are not level or even, causing one shoulder to appear higher or lower than the other. This can lead to muscle imbalance, pain, and discomfort in the neck, shoulders, and back. Shoulder tilt posture can be caused by a variety of factors,
including poor ergonomics, carrying a heavy bag on one shoulder, or even sleeping in an awkward position. And this is how your walk will look like if you are using this posture. Now let's see how you can correct your posture. So for that, all you need is a book.
Now stand in front of a mirror to ensure that you are keeping the book on your head straight. Your head should not be tilted like how it is here. So your head should be completely straight like this when you keep the book on your head. So if your head is tilting forward like this, bring it behind, keep your shoulders back and down and correct your posture. And if your shoulders are tilting like this, then bring them in one line and adjust your neck accordingly. Also, you can correct your posture by standing with your back touching a wall. Make sure the back of your head, your shoulder blades and your buttocks are touching the wall. Secondly, make sure that your feet are at least 5 to 10 centimeters away from the wall. Now use your flat hand to test. If you are standing correctly, your flat hand will slide just enough between your lower back and the wall. If there is not enough space, then slightly arc your lower back away from the wall to let your hand slide in. If there is too much space between your lower back and the wall, then gently tuck in your belly so that your lower back gets closer to the wall. Also check the curve in your neck area. Once you get everything right, move away from the wall in the same posture. And now you have a good posture.
If your posture is really in a very bad state, then it can take you some time to balance the book on your head and stand in the correct posture. So once you are comfortable with balancing your book on the head with the correct posture,
let's see how the walk will look like. So keep the book on your head with a nice posture. Keep your shoulders back and down. Engage your core muscles and start walking. Once you can walk without dropping the book with a nice swing of the arms, you know that you have achieved what you've been looking for. Now how to move your hands and legs, I already have dedicated videos on that. I will put the link of those videos in the end screen now. If you want, you can go and check those videos out. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.